When you're looking for your son, the beam, you then say it to me as some beam. Namia Semina Yediba. Bible no can say, we should not leave our bread alone, you know. Anytime at all, Yediba can Yamia Sem. You know, Modia serving at Jajina or tea. Yamia Sem. Now, the last video, no. You can say I title said the patriarchal period, he who said a choir na Onyankopon any Yejanomo Enamusu no Musum. And we say a man on Yakopon de Mamona and yet a man Yachro, the Monami and our both one Cassa and almost Mudi Nami Catcher Musum. You say, send a Muslim Buffalo, only Otana, no Penman, Sana, the head of the family, father of the family, Onuna, every champion, or this are women. Now, question you be saying, we say, ain't you know, Yensiana? Yes, I will see you. Now you say, you're an animal. Abraham Mone Jacob no soon na me. Question number 2. Yes na bisa na o David. So no soon no dey yentimi and soon sa. Dem say sa period no. And period a all time no no soon na bisa. Na ye no e different period. Yenti bit me sua nya I mean GDA. Any example, send your musum yame, then so it mean coyesa. When I say on your coupon sono, when you saw yamini, and it's a Hebrew level, you whom say, Umunina, I from the men of faith, Umunina, Abraham, Isaac, and Chelsea be almost normally on my bonnet that there be the moon. Being who beating me a castle on the yesterday, Nipadas and the only bonita. Now, we never, I just say, Umjina Midi, Umjina Miasim. Even though so many reaching on. But the law of nature, and in here, upon a cancer, a catcher of LED or Mombe righteous people. And you know, he's young, near who said, I'm passing. And then, and so, ye period on saying, and yes, you be soon. Now, as I record, and also, ye did the second phase, no, a friend the Mosaka period. Now, Mosaka period, a period or Unyakopona Moses, so Edinburgh and Emma Israel for Yakaya, Emma Jacob, and in the descendant record. Egypt no ekoka the by Joseph no mo 70 na actually no Pharaoh no we no another Pharaoh be by just na onimo ntino on be ye kwafo na no musum ya 400 years and so nyame yi Moses akoyi wo so enti ye kase Mosaic period na ye kire period a Onyankopon yi Israel a onenam Moses so edemra e maawo. Now, we share the difference between patriarchal age, you know, and a period, you know, any Mosaic period, you know, we say different case power. Patriarchal period, you know, we say no back for and then a lady, no my altar, no my sacrifice. Only maybe a trouble. But when you come on Israel for, we say. Sa obakon for someone and they so ono nyame ma omomra se emra we say no ana se mudi so ana osan ka kire om se omunye tabernacle because omu fi Egypt no ba desert no so no no munya permanent place into no na tent and no oyede o ka chom se omummo na enumu na ono no ni glory ni beba and we Levite before. So one changes in our abemuno. Completely changes abem. No, you Levite before say more and I'm waiting over soon. It was a tabernacle wing. Now, Aaron on the anyway high priest. So, na mo priest na makan. Munyi na mufi Aaron descendant. Mo na mo be som ewo tabernacle no ma chem miensa. Omo the court. Sa court no ho no mo wo we say no altar of burning no. And purification water no. Nsu no mo wo sa na na wo. Ho no mo twetwa nwan ni ade no. And wo holy of holies. Ho no no and omo lampstand sa lampstand na we no can the 12 in this season and on the table of bread now standing for the 12 tribe of Israel and then and omo most holiest Aaron Onyankopon can say ono no be call once in a year na e no the altar no of incense no and no ho and ark of the covenant no also no sa Ten Commandments no and also no and manna no omo we are omo aye no to say to symbolize manna no e no and omo the table of the covenant the tablet of the covenant no any emra no so wo and omo we say no board na covenant no ewum ana eso no osrabofo mi no ma na chirip no ma yom sa mienu say no ene gina so oma we nyina is good na ewo omo onum no ono ma stretch rom sa ewo Mercy City no so enti no adaka no aye say no the table of covenant no ana emra no ewo edem ana mana no wo nchen ana wa ye ni sase Mercy tina honum na Moses Aaron kwa once a year na no wide wakopo pai ama Israel for so na sanchi chemiensa no Levite from kwa any high priest kwa ne beso Israel for no so mo pese mo obi wa iboni na pese sacrifice so what the ba obi ani wo obetimi afa aboa wa sacrifice so on say entin say that time na Abraham no omo no leading say no Mozaka age no onyame eden etwam that is sakra sisi an individual no entimi nkobo afore we yi one tribe omo no omo bibia so ana mammo mra na the different emran it say that Ten Commandments no the ma wo no yes be na na me can first no nine no na day of nature na mu no oye officially ma wo na eye no kwa o momra bibre be can say it's almost about 600 na o momra no Onyankopon de death penalty den attach him so mu o the death penalty attach him o she the Ten Commandments na death penalty. That shall not do this, that shall not do this. Oh, yes, yeah. Oh, yeah, they been more kind. Exodus 20 now, verse 1 to 10 say, I know a jai. Come say, a tank money home for us and many academy. Oh, can you now? For example, or say, honor your father and your mother. No, sir, I go back. Why shall come who says, so I honor father and mother, then you be see. Because Emra. Say penalty yen ka ho anyemra I say so bi ko wi ade a Ghana o man ayemra say men wi ade enso no wi ade a yen hwe enyemra enti ne ma nipa di mra so any punishment na a consequence na attach no ene ma nipa ede edi emra so me ko adwuma no 15 kilometers na me dey 15 na 20 minutes and a ko 15 kilometers pe no French for your friend radar English same says camera be 5 ne boho 15 kilometers no and a boho sa ko so enti no in a man near Shay. One way, one call over speed now, yen chow now. You point, yes, what wasn't sheer penalty bills. So, ain't in the Sancas, I never win anywhere. Now, men could speed, but be anywhere a punish you are. Nature said, now, men could speed no useless. And you upon the mile or the punishment no head and ekam. But who call the way for Numa, Patraka age now, Nentisa. When I couple am far written no be a mouth, one say a different now bemu. I know all time no a individuals na leady, but a bit do Moses no time no there be when I couple exercise. Ma no or just say liberty for one the bedding and the best one. So temple and I say tabernacle no later no munya temple, but beginning no tabernacle no and no more see but Patraka period no see bibia o be ni wa o see temple ni we say tabernacle be ni o different and no more mra no e bi ni say oh mra be bre the major part no ni mra no ni say Pentecost back Passover ni tema or see every year bia no Israel for many ni na kushia Jerusalem tam na o meye kron na munzevu Passover bakuye Passover bakuye Pentecost and bakuye feast of boot Passover ne tam o Yakopon ni kuku Egypt for firstborn na o save wom no so mo ana Pentecost ni the agricultural celebration time of planting and a feast of boot ni time o wandering on going down to desert no for 40 years no. Oh, and I'm married bebre Sabbath no ni I'm married say ka say ka ye bebre and e true ni Moses e true ni na so mo entino e na woni di mu kasa am say ten commanded no eno na onyame nsa but ten commanded no and see just summary and see or see because or see okay you for example or see that shall not commit adultery. Okay. Uko other verses, other chapters now. Obechiro say who commit here, saying you. Unkai that shall not commit adultery nkwana unchaso. There. Enti omomulo bebre. Ala sa law no kan kra no instrumental music kra so e kan bi. So Moses no time, Abraham time no kra no mkushia. Asori bi ani ho, just dem bi ani ho. Oh, but when time no o malevati for and na esum. Israel for no obi ani ho. Obetimi akwede akosa temple wana se tabernacle se okosum nyame ho Uzziah monkaya na Uzziah King Uzziah 2 Chronicles 26 or man who so okokon na onye from the tribe of Levi so okobon pie say oh onyagopo bonu ma kwataye no e bi say Levi se for no kwa ani betimi ade akosum so mu ana mran so no se woto a yekum em mo na Yakopon di ma Israel for no se woto a e death penalty ni na almost but ko the law patrika ejina Yakopon am written law so mu etino se wo hwe the two we say na utim say a different wo yes you be sua but imi say won say ye eno ana ye eno ne ye hwe so se sia ye kosi temple na ye chiche munyensa na ye no holy court na ye hwe level 4 ni bi na o ko hwe ensuma na Sabbath no so no yes afambra ubisa ibinu se Sabbath no ye ndi so am say ai ye ndi so say obi si se obi ko petrol station as obi ye we a utimi ko boa no na wa manu kunje obedi law no yesa na ka o law na ka se obi ko to petrol a heavy we mra wo ho a Sabbath no o say na munye no na munye say na ande be holy so o mamra mi remember the Sabbath and keep it holy remember na the theory no utie say who can keke so be able to make remember but so ye no ahụ na ahụ ate na wadi nyame aso no ɔse yɛ no de yɛ holy na holy no ehia nneɛma ɛsɛ wɛre woyɛ sɛ na waka watwo no nyinaa wɔ hɔ a later no yɛbɛba sabat no so enti no yɛhu sɛ saa time wɔ nyinaa na onyankopɔn ɛde mmara Mosaic law no ɛma Israelfoɔ no na different. Abraham no time no na family worship so and Moses no time no national worship saa time no na Israelfoɔ kwa no Onyankopɔn ɛde wɔn so saa mmara na ɔde maa wɔn no ɛyɛ wɔn kwa ɔdɔ sɛ akoa bi akoa wɔ mu a otumi enso o circumcise na wabɛdi mmara no enti no wohwɛ saa mmara mienu na patraka age period no na wohwɛ Mosaic age na nea wo hu wɔ hɔ ne sɛ Onyankopɔn ɛka kyerɛ Abraham sɛ on circumcise ne family no ɛsɛ ne sɛ Jewfoɔ no efi Abraham ayɛ asefoɔ no ɛno no deɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ Onyankopɔn ɛma ne tra hɔ but sacrifice no so hu wɔsesa no wɔma individual biara ayɛ dɛ and sacrifice na emu no Levite foɔ no kwa bɔne biara no yɛ wɔ ho mmara a wode bɛba na wode ba Levite foɔ no sɛ dɛ ɔmo yɛ bibiara sa individual worship no wotwa mu wɔn enti no usua Bible na ɛwɔ sɛ hu saa differences na ɛwɔ saa ɔsom but patriarchal period no na wahwɛ the Mosaic period no wɔn sɛ ɛnyɛ the same kura ɛnyɛ the same wɔn enti no na wɔbisa ho sɛ enti no sɛsi ano period a mi wɔ mu sɛsi ano mi ni nyina so ana mi sua mienu nyina ana yes I will say mi sua na mi hu difference e was that mienu sa mienu no I will say mi sua na mi hu say ampa o Abraham time no say na mo som nyame ebedu emre bi no em so Onyankopɔn so change ye ma obeyi Israelfo no say na mo ye den om som nyame Abraham time no obi ani ho a ye boni a o si o yewe obreki sabata omukunu anase o committee adultery yekunu but won se obedu ha say no o ma emra foforo a o ka che Israelfo no say na mo ye no na that time so no Onyankopɔn ni Israelfo no ko a enjina Romans chapter 12 you can first no pataka age no or say the Gentile who do not have the law no also will be judged without the law but the law of nature no and ever judge you now one more law no Jewfoɔ no they will be judged by the law and you know we share the difference now yes yeah ni hu and you know Onyankopɔn Paul catch Timothy say study to show yourself approved to God no a workman that needed not to be ashamed but rightly dividing the word of truth Christopher wa musu mu juna video no ye momo dia say bitimi ayede achiche Bible ni hu the first thing I say usua Bible na hu no say bitimi achiche Bible ni hu say period we say no say na no musum nyame period say na no musum nyame na fe na we bisa o say intimi so no period da mi wo musisia no 21st century we say Christian me some say me ko fa bom me ko fa mienu bobo mana me yi bi fi Mosaic period no na me yi bi fi patriarchal age no na me fa bom mana na me so mana bisa musa me ko ye altar na me sacrifice ana na me train fie me ka say yes me na me papa of family no na me yes ana anate me ko si temple na me divide into 3 na me yin crofo bi say omo no me we say priest no no omo ye adaka no mo ye sin no for sisi mana and you know but you bet me sua but Onyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Israelfo no sɛ no ye enka nua obede oni emra no nyina so na oka kyerɛ sɛ mo yi bi mfim mo bi omo so obi ani obo fo bi kan me yi bi mfim me bi kan enti no either say wo yi ni nyina ana sɛ wajai so hu na untimi so enkofa we say no the particular way no mo watching the way no ever make we hu because any no match enye possible oh enti no ene say me hu now say oh wo de wo no Muzaka period no eno na wo beso nti no wo beye obi ni wo beso wo hwe no pa na Israel for no kra no mra no ntimi ani so enye se bia mra no na ebone na mu no omo ano omo ntimi because emra no nyina no death penalty emra no momos then command no mo afọ kan wa sekwase no all content death penalty omo kono mo ntimi ani so enti no wo mo ka se olo no wo no obi ni odi so obie ni wa odi sa old law no so but the question you be say am say sa period no eno na yensun yenfa sunsun ana say yenhwehwe mu ne yi bi mfi for example yenfa ne say instrumental music onyakopo commande under Muzaka period no Abraham time na tane ma onyani ho lots of partners and no but Muzaka time no what say instrumental music no David say yenfa ntwene say no David no want to me call hono no temple wo kobo aso enkobo we wo because ono or a type of Judah, on fit type of level, on your own kakra, on your mistake, crazy or call temple or no, I call Bobo musical horn. Oh, and David Casano, or never phone or catch it all. Now, never phone send no use instrument, okay, second chronicle now, 29, or see some buffer in now, or almost train run and I no shreno. No more, no bow instrument, no. Afasia, Gusta my every day, a beshi. Nothing there? So person soon sa and that's the same thing what for na one who to tell na say you say na after now di nyum no so san no ka second chronicle san no so monye and arrange a levite but and levite for no ever Israel for no he wo mu gutara be no wo munye me dey think ameka san ko munye time to Samaria for no time na ka the real for no ka so mu kwa munye Jew for because and there you see Russian Jew you see American Jew you see Italian Jew you see oh entino eneno sa awesome no obi eni ho awesome na mu no wo a obese obusua Bible no bomodi anse obetimi hu sa difference we say mu you say ya pawo sa period we na say na no musu nyame period we say no say na no musu nyame be ene so hu ene wo de hwedin o almost 600 laws na o de ko ma Israel for no wo de wo hwemu pa ahi na ni pa yi wo ni pa yi bien sa wo we tight we instrumental music and we the Sabbath tight who study tight no crap na what you say tight no crap no enye every week every month no we tight because that time no omu agriculture people and you know tight no it's not possible so you know 1 year na sat nran o de maiza for no kwa so mu instrument no o kire o se ne o munye no o se lebat for no mo hwe mo na ma bo instrument na fa kire na o mo kwa de bitima bo instrument no o mo kwa David o timi ko Uzaya o ko no no kwata ko ye no because onye lebat ni it is amra say we nyina no e isa for ne de ma wo ya fa ma ewiase nyina enti wo a we gana ni na wo ti wo ye tu no sambra no enye wo ne de ma ho ne ka take commandments so sa take commandments no krampa na wo kan eye mad da wo 9 of the 9 no eye mad da ana sabato no yakopon di ma Israel for said to for the independence enye de wo be ye ba so sabato no be ne kire say ye be se kire say patriarchal age no e different Muzaka age no e different untimi mesi mi no na untimi cry song because ene obi enu a o ya obo patana so obo obo ye we say na o twam dwan eto so no say me som nya me senya Abraham ye obi enu ye sa ene obi enu o ye temple no divide miensa o say we holy we say obi enu ye sa ene amafo bo atwam obi bo atwam a obi enku no obi ene say emra no obi enu o di sa Muzaka laws e we say that time no na emra system no mu na theocracy omo de omo weni nyina bomba ko enu Nyankopon mra no ene o ma no so mra nyina bomba ko ai sabia bibia ente esa de tie esa de tie entine obi gba dwoma yekuna na o ka kire say in o kan Deuteronomy 21 na o ka Deuteronomy 21 verse 18 na o si wo ba na say o ka say emrani ka say one of your father and mother no say wo ba na so on tie wa mo fa no koma elders no na mu nyina mu nia dan say no mu bunuku no wa na yesa ne obi no yesa enti emra no Old Testament Jew form rana e de ma o Mosaic period no e o mo kwa ne de ma o obi eni wa odiso ne but ye kire eni hu say sa time no any sa time no e different enti no ala say obi dis na so ala say obi de obi suya no say sa period we say no enye me time na untimi tutu na we ye fi ase work of instrument because na money penny je akofa tight because na ma obenye sika tani enye sa na kokon ka chum so omo ye mra then enti ye hu two difference na ewo mu no enti bi se am se yenso sa na ebisi yesu ba na obeyi sacrifice no afimu na moral on the wenye fi moral on so say obi akola ni ma mi so ayenku no wo yesa na obi ba dwama ayenku no wo yesa na o ye ne de yesu abigye fio na yese be ne fio no de a ne de say enye no na wudi so samra na odi ma Moses na enye no na wudi so enti ne be say chese samra mi onu we say no different. It was given to a different period of people. Now, wow, on that 21st century, no, I was so beside say, no, I mean this, you know, ya now, you better the third one, nothing, no one, no, that's two. But who say, I'm pa, so I will say, no, then you have time, we say, then you have time, I'm going to make machine, but see, I know me time in here. And you know, you see, I say. Next time no nyame boy na o my hode ya be ba ni about the third period no the Christian period no na fe ye de mi ensa na toto na wa no be hu ifa na wo se wo ye de wo so nyame na wo be hu se ampa se sa 3 period no wo ha se ne se wo so nyame na ka ye nyina ka yesa anka that will be the beginning of unity for all. We are see a dynamic in Casa beginning. No, Sandy, we get in some papa, we need Huma, and I can be boy pa near. And you know, Namin Kayon, na my holiday, no my enya, Ibidi, I could tell her, if essentially, I will use to do. Amen.